Hi, friend. Welcome to Healing with Michael. Thanks for being here. Today we're going to talk about dealing with uncertainty. Very important topic for these times, for sure, for all of us. And we're going to do so with the practice of mirroring affirmations and a visual solo journey throughout Humboldt County, California. And with that said, let's keep it moving. Greatly appreciate you subscribing to the channel and letting your friends know about how strong and powerful this healing work is. I know that everyone is affected by COVID-19. Our lives are changed dramatically and perhaps forever. And to even put out a video focused on dealing with uncertainty is never going to get to the level of what all of us are facing right now on so many ways. But I'm going to do what I do, which is help you with your thinking and your communicating and your feeling, and to help you to understand the power of the road as a kind of medicine to help you clear the path to the deepest version of you for a moment, like a way of understanding and seeing all of it from a place where it's as if you've cleaned the mirror of all of any kind of negativity, the way you've been seeing the world. The road has a way of cleaning and clearing that off so that the things that you're perceiving in the outside world, whatever it has to do with family, friends, job, money, am I going to get sick, who's the next person not wearing a mask, any of all these things, which are real things that bring up uncertainty. What we want is to be able to use a journey as a way to sort of meet that uncertainty with the uncertainty of mystery, with the uncertainty of movement, with the uncertainty of self-discovery and perhaps magic, and to sort of sense the way taking a intentional journey will help you into these perhaps even ecstatic places that you wouldn't necessarily get to because of the level of uncertainty that we're going through in our lives. So what we want to do is allow ourselves to go on these visual journeys that I take you through in these little 10-minute videos. You could see the library and choose the next one in your own healing journey for yourself. And see how this next one starts with uncertainty, that we're going somewhere and we're beginning this visual journey on the road into mystery, into nature with me in this video, in a way where you're going to see yourself starting with visuals that may trigger uncertainty, that may be symbols for a kind of a cinematic experience of uncertainty, and then allowing the road to kind of take you and escort you into mystery. It could be very deeply healing from your heart and your consciousness, and your awaken your infinite mind. This is me on a solo journey. This is me leaving everything behind. There is great uncertainty in my world. This uncertainty is following me wherever I go. Sometimes I feel like the world has become unsafe. I can choose to keep it moving. I can choose to see the road as medicine. I can find a new home while I am on the road. I am receiving light. I am receiving power. I am receiving mystery. It's time to leave this solo journey behind. I am ready to return home. All is well. If you're watching this as it's put out in the summer of 2020, right around the corner in less than 2 weeks, we're going to be all going on a journey with this workshop called Healing Power of the Road. If you enter promo code YouTube, you get 50% off for the week, and I think it's already a decent price as is. So check it out, and we're going to offer it, I believe, every 6 months. So check it out for yourself. HealingPowerTheRoad.com, and see if it's right for you. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. I'm keeping it real here, and I'm keeping it moving. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Leave comments, likes, and subscribes. You're the best.